Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to log into discover.com. Watch the video till the very end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Discover is a credit card brand issued primarily in the United States. It was introduced by Sears in 1985. To log into your discover.com, go to your web browser and type in www.discover.com. Hit the enter on your keyboard, and as soon as you reach to the official website of discover.com, which looks like this, to log in, you'll see a box right here. Simply type in your user ID, your password, your credit card information, or you can even select an account from the expanded menu right here. Select any options from the drop-down menu to sign in with, and after you do that, if you want the site to remember you, then click on Remember Me box right here. In case you forgot to use your ID and password, you can still get access to your account by clicking on Forgot to use your ID and password and following the instructions. If you've not registered an account yet on discover.com, then click on Register Account and you can create a new account for yourself. If you want to activate your credit card now, then click on Activate Credit Card. Check application status by clicking on this link right here. After you are done with the credentials, click on the login button and soon you'll be logged into your Discover account in no time. That is how you can sign into your Discover account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll surely be back again with more tutorial episodes soon. Thank you for watching.